Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel and welcome to a new series of videos which will be aptitude for CSIR NET. Now I have already covered for GATE exam a lot of topics related to aptitude, and for that there is a separate playlist. You can watch that in the I button. I'll give you link for that aptitude for GATE exam. But if you are focusing CSIR NET exam, there are some questions in CSIR NET exams which are asked, which are pretty easy, which are pretty different from GATE exam, and those types of questions I'm going to take in this series, right? So the first question or the first type of question which I'm going to take is related to consecutive integers. Okay, now if you see the recent years of CSIR NET exam, you will find out that there are many questions which have been asked based upon consecutive integers. They will give some conditions that the sum of consecutive integers or the product or the difference, something they will give about consecutive integers is so and so, find out those integers. Okay, so how to do these questions, what is the trick behind it, how to solve them, that all I'm going to discuss in detail in this particular video. So hopefully you all are going to like this series a lot and you will share your love how you have given that for the previous series, right? So watch this video till end and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Please like the video if you like it, and if you have any other suggestions you can make in the comment sections below, right? Also, I'll give you a question for you guys to solve at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Solve the question and do let me know the answer in the comment section. All right, now without wasting any time, let's continue with our video. So basically, if somebody asks what is consecutive integers, in order to explain that, first of all we need to understand what are integers, right? So integers are those numbers which are non-decimal numbers or non-fractional numbers. They can be positive, they can be negative, both, right? So these are basically non-fractional, okay, non-decimal. That means they should not be decimal numbers, okay, and yeah, non-decimal numbers, and can be positive or negative, anything, positive or negative, anything, okay. So that means -1, -5, -100, +100, 1000, anything like 25, all these are integers, okay, all these are examples of integers. Now what are consecutive integers? Consecutive integers are those which come just after the other. For example, 2, 3 and 4, all these three are consecutive integers, right? If they ask 4 consecutive integers, they can be like any 4, like you can start from anyone, like 101, 102, 103, so these, and 104. So these are like 4 consecutive integers. So these are the consecutive integers. Like integers are the number that can be positive, negative. In the negative you can have -5, -4, -3, like that. So those numbers which come just after the other with a gap of 1 unit, those are called consecutive integers. All right. So now I think the things are clear to you. Now what we have to do whenever they ask you to find out consecutive integers, what we have to do, if they ask to find two consecutive integers, okay, two consecutive integers, in that particular case you have to consider the first integer or the first integer as x, and the second integer, okay, the second integer as x plus 1. Then only they will become consecutive. Now if it is 1 it will be 2, if it is 10 it will be 11, if it is 100 it is 101. So consecutive, if they are asking two consecutive integers, you have to make them like this. First one is x, second is x plus 1. If they ask to find 3 consecutive integers, okay, 3 consecutive integers, now here is something which you have to take care about, okay. So if they ask about 3 consecutive integers, in that case your first integer should be x minus 1, the second integer should be x, and the third integer should be x plus 1. Now why I am telling this to do? Because that will make your calculations easy. You can take x, x plus 1, x plus 2 also, okay. The first one as x, second is x plus 1, third one as x plus 2 also. but that will become lot of like calculation will become little tricky over there. So to make calculations easier, it is always recommended that when 3 consecutive integers are asked, take the first one as x minus 1, second one as x, and third one as x plus 1. So you can take any number. If it is 5, this will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. This will be 5 plus 1, that is 6. Alright, so 4, 5, 6, they will be consecutive integers. If they ask to find 4 consecutive integers, okay, 4 consecutive integers, in that case it's up to you. You can either take them like first one as you can take the first one as x minus 2, or you can take it as x minus 1, second one as x, third one as x minus 2, and x plus 1, and the fourth one as x plus 2. Okay, so you can take in that way. Always try to include a x minus 1. That is going to make your calculations and the other parts easy to do. Alright, so this is the trick, or this is the way how you should consider the consecutive integers. They won't be asking 5 consecutive integers, but if in case they ask 5 consecutive integers, just in the case if they ask, okay, then I guess by now you have understood your first integer, your first will be x minus 2, your second integer will be x minus 1, your third integer will be x, your fourth integer will be x plus 1, and fifth integer will be x plus 2. Okay, so x minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1, and x plus 2, like that you have to do. Alright, so this is the thing which you need to know when you are going to solve questions related to consecutive integers. Now apart from all these things, there is some additional thing which you should know. So apart from all these things, there is some basic mathematics which you should know, that is solving a quadratic equation. Okay, solving a quadratic equation. Now I'm telling you a basic thing. I know many of you might already know, but just in case if you have forgotten. So if you have a quadratic equation which is of form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are constant. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, c is a constant. So if this is a quadratic equation, quadratic means the power is 2. Alright. So the solution of this equation will be x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now this is called SD formula or Sridharacharya formula, which is taught in class 5th or 6th if you have studied in school. So this is something which you should know, how to calculate direct value of x from the given values, where a, b and c are these coefficients which are over here. Okay, a, b and c, these values are there which you have to substitute in order to get your x. So we will be using, maybe we'll get to use this thing to solve some question, but yeah, this is all you need to solve questions related to consecutive integers. Now let's take a question from previous year and let's see how to solve it up. Alright, so here is a question from CSIR December 2019 exam. It says that the difference between the squares of two consecutive integers is 408,235. The sum of the numbers is. Now see, if they have given a data, you have to understand this, and they have asked about two consecutive integers. So what we will do, we will consider the first consecutive integer as x and the second consecutive integer as x plus 1. Okay, so this is how we are going to, this is what we are going to use it. Now it says that the difference between the square of them, difference means you have to subtract it. So square will be like x plus 1 is square minus the second one, means you have to subtract. Okay, so when they are talking about the difference, you have to subtract from the bigger number, you have to subtract the smaller number. X plus 1 will be bigger number, square of that minus the square of a smaller number, and this is equals to 408,235. See, It looks tricky, but it is very simple. What you have to do now, you have to use the identity of a plus b whole square, okay, and you have to open the bracket. So this becomes a square plus b square plus 2 into ab, okay, 2ab, that is 2 into x into 1, so that becomes 2x minus x square is equals to 408,235. So basically on solving this, x square is going to get cancelled out. You are going to get 1 square is 1. So this will be 1 plus 2x, right? That is equals to 408,235. What you have to do now? You have to find out the value of 2x. That will be 408,235 minus 1. So if you subtract it, the value of 2x is going to become 408,234. Right, all you need to do is find out the value of x, that will be 408,234 divided by 2. If you divide this, the value of x is going to come up 204,117. Okay, this is the value which you are going to get. Okay, this is the value of x over here. Now what is the, so this is the first number, okay, this is your first integer. What will be the second integer then? So the second integer will be x plus 1. So you just have to add 1 here. So that will be 204,118. So you have got your integers now. First integer also and the second integer also. What they are asking the question? The sum of the numbers. Okay, you have to add them. So if you add both of them, you are going to get option number 4. That is 408,235. Okay, that's what you are going to get. Just add them and see whether you are getting that or not. So 8 plus 7 will be 15. So you will be getting 5 here, carry 1. This will be 3. Then 1, 1 is 2. 4, 4 is 8. 0, 4. So you have got the answer. Alright. So it was as simple as that. This is how it needs to be done. Let me take you one more question and let's solve that. Okay, so this was recently asked in September 2022, the recent exam which happened. So this question was asked over there. What that question says? It says A, B, C, D are consecutive integers. Now these are 4 integers, right? A, B, C and D. Such that B square minus A square is 103. Then what is the value of D square minus C square? Again, as I said, you have to consider them like this. Okay, so we have 4 integers A, B, C and D. So let's consider A as x minus 1, B as x, C as x plus 1 and D as x plus 2. What they have given is B square minus A square. Okay, so that means B square minus A square is 103. So if the value of B square is x and value of A is x minus 1 square, this is 103. Open the bracket. So x square minus, this is A minus B whole square again. So A square plus B square, 1 square is 1 and minus 2AB. Okay, this is what you will get. So this is, once I open the bracket, this becomes minus x square minus 1 and plus 2x is equals to 103. X square and x square is going to get cancelled out. This minus 1 will go this side and it will get added. So 2x will be 104 and x will be equal to how much? That will be equal to 52. So you got your x now. So if this is 52, this will be 51, this will be 53 and this will be 54. So you got all the integers now. Alright, all the consecutive integers. What they are asking is D square minus C square. That means 54 square minus 53 square. So if you calculate it, square this up, you can do the squaring of both the numbers, subtract it, you will get 107 as the answer. Option number B is correct. So this is again one of the recent question asked from consecutive integers and it was as simple as that to do. Okay, now here is a question which was asked in CSIR June 2018. This is the last question which I am going to tell you. Then I will give you one question as a homework question to try. Okay, it says if the product of 3 consecutive positive integers is equal to their sum, then what would be sum of their squares? Now understand what they are telling. First of all, you need to have 3 consecutive positive integers and okay, let's first of all have them. Okay, so I am considering the first integer as x minus 1, the second one as x and the third one as x plus 1. What they are telling? The product of three integers, okay, product of three integers is equal to their sum, okay. So, is equals to their sum. That means x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1, product of all the three is equals to their sum. Sum is x minus 1 plus x plus 1, right. This is what you have to solve, and you have to calculate the value of x. So, let us leave this. So, this is x minus 1, x plus 1, and on this side I will be having, if I open the bracket, so this will become 3x, right, because minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled out. Now, both the sides you have x, so you can cancel out x with x, right. A minus b and a plus b will become a square minus b square, right. So, x square will be equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. So, x square is equals to 4. So, x will be equal to 2. Since you needed positive integer, so it will be 2. So, your second integer is 2. What is your first integer? First integer is 1. What is the third integer? That is 3. Because you got the value of x now, that's why. Okay, so 1 and 3 also you got. Then they are asking, then what would be the sum of their squares? Sum of their squares means, now what they are asking is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. This will be 1 plus 4 plus 9, 14. Option B is correct. So, this is how you have to solve questions related to consecutive integers, alright. Now, I am going to give you some questions so that you can also practice. Do let me know in the comment section the answers of them, alright. Right, so this is the homework question for you guys. The question says that sum of 5 consecutive integers is 335, right. So, what will be the sum of the largest and the smallest number? Options are given: 134, 150, 174 or 226. Try to do this question and do let me know what answer you have got in the comment sections below. I will discuss the solution of it in the next part of this particular series, right, in the next video of this particular series. So, that's it from my side for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye, take care. If you want, you can follow us on different social media platforms. The links are given over here on the screen, alright. So, that's it from my side. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Hey guys, so Unacademy has launched a Revise India series. It is a free video series for CSIR NET June 2023 exam. In this series, you will be able to attend free sessions by the India's top educators for CSIR NET. These sessions will be very helpful for your CSIR NET preparation and for your June 2023 exam. So, all you have to do is follow the link given in the description of this video. You will come up to this particular page. There are various educators whose classes you will be able to see. All these classes are free of cost. So, you can watch these classes. You will be able to see the classes of all the subjects over here. So, depending upon which subject you belong to, you can choose a particular class, a particular educator, a particular topic and watch that particular class.